What's good, everyone? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to deposit funds on EVEDEX step by step. Let's not waste any time and jump straight into it. Real quick. If you haven't created your EVEDEX account yet, use the link in the description below where you'll unlock a 100 USDT bonus on your first 1 million volume. Up to 60,000 USDT in deposit rewards plus 10% cashback on trading fees. Don't sleep on it. First thing first, we need to do is head over to the Assets section. Click on the Assets button in the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in, you'll see your entire asset dashboard. Next, just click the Deposit button. And boom, here we are. Now, EVEDEX gives you 4 different ways to deposit funds. You've got transfer from another exchange, deposit from your wallet, exchange coins from another chain, and buy with card. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through each one in detail. So no matter which method works best for you, you'll know exactly what to do. But before we jump in, you'll probably notice this bright yellow banner at the top that says, "Your smart account needs activation. Please deposit at least 6 USDT to activate." Don't worry, that's totally normal. It just means you need to make a small initial deposit to fully unlock your account. So today you'll not only learn how to deposit funds, but also how to activate your EVEDEX account. All right, let's break down each deposit method one by one. Let's start with the first method, depositing from another exchange or wallet. For this one, you just need any other platform that already has funds on it, meaning you've got to have some crypto sitting there ready to send. This could be a centralized exchange like Binance, Mex, Bybit, Coinbase, or any other CEX you use. It could also be a decentralized exchange or even a personal wallet like MetaMask, Rabby, or Trust Wallet. Once you click into this method, you'll see a few options to set up. Don't worry, I'll walk you through each one. First, let's choose the chain we're depositing from. Click on Arbitrum 1, and you'll see a list of all the available chains: Ethereum, Optimism, BNB, and plenty more. For this tutorial, we're sticking with Arbitrum 1 since it's fast and cheap. Next, let's pick the coin we want to deposit. Click on USDT to open the dropdown, and you'll see all the coins supported on the Arbitrum chain. Right now, that's USDT and USDC, with Ethereum coming soon. For this tutorial, I'm going to use USDC. Now here's the most important part. Lock in, gang. You'll see this yellow and red warning telling you to make sure you're sending on the Arbitrum chain, not any other one. This is crucial. If you send the right coin on the wrong chain or the wrong coin on the right chain, your funds will be permanently lost. No recovery, no refund. So, double check before sending. Always. Once you've confirmed everything, click I understand, show address. Now you'll see your deposit wallet address along with a quick reminder: minimum deposit is 6 USDC and the average arrival time is around 1 minute. Go ahead and copy that address. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Mex to send funds to EVEDEX. So with the deposit address copied, let's hop over to my Mex account. In the overview, you can see I've got 10 USDC ready to use. Let's click the Withdraw button. First, select the coin you want to withdraw. In our case, USDC. Then paste the EVEDEX deposit address you just copied. Make sure to select the Arbitrum chain, and I'll say it again, double check this part. Type in the amount of USDC you want to send, then hit submit and follow any remaining verification steps to complete the transaction. Now let's head back to EVEDEX. You can close the deposit window. Give it a moment, and after a short wait, you'll see the deposit come through successfully. You'll also get a pop-up confirming that your smart account has been deployed. And just like that, you successfully added funds to EVEDEX. All right, let's move on to the second method, depositing directly from your wallet. For this one, you'll need a wallet extension installed. I'm going to use Rabby Wallet for this tutorial, but it works the same way with MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any other Web3 wallet. You'll need a wallet extension installed with the coin you want to deposit already sitting in it, and it has to be on the same chain you'll select on EVEDEX. So if you're depositing USDC on Arbitrum, you need USDC in your wallet on the Arbitrum network. Otherwise, this method won't work. Same as before, we need to pick the coin and the chain. I'll select USDC and keep Arbitrum 1 since I already have some USDC sitting in my wallet on the Arbitrum chain. Just type in the amount you want to deposit. I'll go with 10. Now you'll notice EVEDEX is telling you to switch your wallet's network to match the chain you selected. No stress, this is normal. Just click Switch Chain and Rabbi will automatically switch over to Arbitrum for you. And boom, as you can see here, we're successfully on the Arbitrum chain. Now click the deposit button. A wallet pop-up will appear asking you to sign the transaction. But hold up real quick. Rabbi might show you a security warning, basically telling you the transaction could be risky. Don't panic. This is just Rabbi being extra cautious because it doesn't recognize the contract. EVEDEX is safe, so go ahead and click Ignore All, then hit Sign and Confirm. That's it. Your deposit has been submitted. Now you just need to wait about 1 minute for it to be credited to your EVEDEX account. You can also click the Don't Show This Again box on this confirmation window if you don't want to see it every time, then click Got It. After a short wait, you'll see that your 10 USDC has been successfully deposited. Alright, now let's try the third method, exchanging coins from other chains. This one's pretty cool because it lets you deposit a coin from almost any chain, and EVEDEX automatically converts it for you. For this method, you'll again need a wallet extension installed, with some funds already sitting on a chain that EVEDEX supports. I'm using Rabbi Wallet again here. Once you're in, you'll see what you need to select, the token and chain you're sending from, and on the other side, what EVEDEX will convert it into, which is USDT on the Eventum network. So, let's set it up. First, pick the chain you're exchanging from. There's a ton of options here. Ethereum, Hyperliquid, Monad, Base, and plenty more. For this tutorial, we're going with Arbitrum. Next, let's choose the coin. I'll just type in USDC, and you can see I've got 10 USDC available in my wallet. Let's click on that, set it to the max amount I want to deposit, then hit View Route. Now this is the interesting part. You'll see all the available routes to exchange your coin, in our case, USDC on Arbitrum. You'll notice a few options like Fly, OKX, and BitGet. You can pick whichever you prefer depending on what matters to you. Some are faster, some are cheaper, some are safer. For us, Fly works just fine. Once you've picked your route, click Review Route. You'll see a quick summary of the exchange, then just hit Start Exchange. Now, you'll need to approve the token allowance. This just gives permission for the swap to happen. Click Sign, then Confirm. After that, you'll sign the actual transaction. And yep, just like the last method, Rabbi's going to throw that security warning at you again. Don't worry, it's just being cautious. Click Ignore All, then Sign and Confirm. And just like that, you've successfully exchanged your USDC on Arbitrum into USDT on Eventum. Give it a moment and you'll see your deposit land in your account. Congrats. Alright, last one. And honestly, this is the easiest method of them all. Buying directly with a card. This one's perfect for total beginners who don't have any crypto yet, because you can fund your EVEDEX account straight with regular money. No exchange, no wallet, and no hassle. So let's break down what you'll see here. First, you'll pick the currency you want to pay with and the amount. Then, EVEDEX shows you exactly how much USDT you'll receive on Arbitrum, along with the current exchange rate. Below that, you'll choose your payment method, your country, and you'll see the fees you're paying based on the amount. Let's run through it. I'll type 10 in the amount box and keep it in euros. Now let's pick the payment method. You've got a bunch of options: Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit card, debit card, and even bank transfers. I'm going to go with Apple Pay for this tutorial. Next, you'll see the available providers for your payment. In my case, Mercurio is the only one available, so let's roll with that. Click Continue. Now we've landed on the Mercurio payment page. You can switch your payment method here if you want, but I'm sticking with Apple Pay. Let's check the transaction details. You'll see your receiving wallet where Mercurio will send your USDT, and the current exchange rate, which is 1 USDT for 0.86 euros. Now, real talk. The rate isn't the best, and the fee is around 1.01 euros. So, from paying 10 euros, you'll actually receive about 10.45 USDT. Not amazing, but it works for this example, especially if you just need a quick deposit and don't have crypto anywhere else. Let's click Buy with Apple Pay and finish up the payment steps. One thing to keep in mind, some providers will ask you to complete KYC, others won't. It depends on the provider, the amount, and your country. So just go through whatever they ask for if it pops up. Once the transaction is processing, you'll see your order complete. Now, head back to EVEDEX, close this window, and after a short wait, you'll see your 10 USDT land in your account. Congrats. And one last thing. If you head over to the deposits and withdrawals section, you'll see a full history of every deposit you just made. Super handy for keeping track of everything. Don't forget to use the link in the description when signing up. You'll grab 10% cash back on trading fees and unlock deposit bonuses up to 60,000 USDT, which will give you the best start. If this helps, smash that like button, subscribe, leave some comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.